What do you think is the role of language in the transmission of culture?
I think it's an integral part of it. It's a way to explain and feel the culture. The creativity of the culture is in the language, in the written language, in the oral language, and in the stories. They can be translated, but they are better in the original all the time. I would like to see Yiddish continue to thrive. I think it's an important language for Jews and for everybody. And some of the most fluent Yiddish speakers I've been exposed to have been non-Jews. So I think each person's heritage is important to maintain and to help flourish.